think I'm trying to determine.
Looking for big boulders, I guess? Rocks and
Big
stuff?
boulders, but I'm looking for something else.
Gold?
Any laying or modeling?
Yeah, I'm looking for that.
Modeling?
But how's this coming out initially on the shovel? There's big chunks. And it's hard to get the shovel in there. So when I'm down at those depths, I'm starting to look for massive. And that's what this is feeling like initially, because when it first comes out, those big chunks that are on the shovel are not forming repeatable shapes. However, when I play with it a little bit, it's breaking down into blocky, but whoa, something just happened there.
Lady?
It's a little platey. It's a little platey, just the way that fell apart.
Is it still pretty dry?
No, it's moist.
It is moist, sir.
Yeah. At this point, I don't see any modeling in it. So I would put down massive first, but massive can go into other shapes. So looking what I've pulled out of here, what would you say the grade was? Looking at this and this here. What's the grade?
Moderate.
Moderate grade. The shape. No.
Angular blocky?
Yeah, it's becoming more angular, right?
It's not as rounded.
Not as rounded.
Is that like a firm?
No, we haven't done consistence yet. We're gonna do that in a minute. So blocky, and these are very coarse.
So angular coarse blocky?
Angular blocky, and they're very coarse. They're greater than 50 millimeters. What do you got?
So here's a bit of a surprise.
So this was from the AB transition.
A little bit more than, what were you saying? 5 to 10?
Yeah.
There's still a little bit of smaller stuff in there.
Yeah.
I can't get it quite all out, but most of that is 2 millimeters or bigger. Isn't it, Garth?
Yeah.
Kind of interesting, isn't it?
Yeah.
So here's why your sieves come in handy.
Okay, well, 34%.
34%, exactly
34%,
right.
yeah.
No. But I would boost it to 20, wouldn't you?
I would definitely boost it to 20.
Yeah, yeah.
Can everybody see that?
And that was the fourth one?
That was the fourth horizon, yeah.
And we're still looking at small.
Everything above 2 millimeters is gravel. That's a coarse fragment. Everything above 2 millimeters is a coarse fragment, which is considered gravel.
And they're
So then, what do we do with the stuff that's in the pan?
Yeah, sub-rounded, yeah.
That's what we get our texture on, right?
So, hey Ken,
Yeah.
for the sea horizon then, if it was massive, would your sub-horizon then be the blocky? Or
Yeah, that would be what we'd call the secondary structure.
secondary? But would
Yeah.
you go off primary there? Would it be massive in our design?
Yeah, I would go with the massive.
Really? Okay.
Well, I'm just putting that out there right now. Then we're gonna figure out what the rest of the stuff tells us. It looks like it's fairly sandy, so, and we got structure, and we'll have texture, so.
Are you
Maybe-
you're talking about the sea horizon?
Yeah, yeah. But what I wanted to point out here is when you're getting to these depths, you want to see if you have massive, okay? But we've got structure as well, so maybe we'll want to work with that. I'm just pointing that out. When you're getting down deep, how easy is it to get the shovel in? So it's a little bit of work to get in there. So it's definitely harder. All right, where are we at?
Well, I didn't get any of the consistence on, anywhere from the second horizon down to,
Okay,
so we didn't work on consistence.
okay.
Or some of the grades I missed in it too.
I think everything was Everything was moderate grade except for the very top AH, it was weak. I think that's what we went with.
Yeah, okay, I got all that, yeah. Now, I didn't get any secondaries on any of those,
They're pretty much
so.
all the same. Yeah.
That five. That
We haven't
five
done-
Was a weak grade.
Yeah,
Yeah,
BM
I,
90 to 130 was
yeah, I went to a very weak structuralist or extremely weak structuralist there, single grain.
Yeah, there's a fair bit of sand.
And that's the same thing, structuralist and.
No,
or
it's,
single
no,
grain
this'll
and-
be very coarse and probably coarse for the secondary on that one.